Hi guys, what's up? My name is Dave, and I'm so glad to be here making this video especially for you. Because what I'm going to tell you in this video now can be a turning point before you decide to make your purchase. So stay until the end of this video, because I will give you some tips and tell important things. So stay until the end. So, thumbs up in this video, and if you can, share with others, so you will be helping other people to make the purchase. And to make your life easier, I've already left the link to the official site here in the description of this video, so you can access it safely and avoid getting into scams. The first thing I want to tell you is that there are thousands of people getting results with this product. If you check the website, you are going to read testimonials from people that are amazed with it. In the official site, the producer will show that lots of people are already having results. Also, in case you don't know yet, this product has a guarantee. So, when you buy this product, you have a money-back guarantee. I mean that you can actually test the product for a period of time, and if you change your mind about your purchase, you can ask for a full refund, so you have nothing to lose. Isn't it incredible? Then you buy with more security, all right? So you have no risk because you will have the guarantee from the producer. Another important thing is the payment system. You have several ways of making the payment. You are going to have all facilities available when you purchase this product. You can pay by credit card, bank slip, PayPal, among others. So you will not be worried buying the product because the website is totally reliable. I really hope you give it a chance and enjoy all the good things that this product promotes to your life. And once again, in order to help you making your purchase safely, I'll be leaving the link to the official website below in the description box. Don't wait too much to reach your goals. A big hug, and until the next time.